First, a tornado starts with a strong thunderstorm called a supercell. Warm rising air brings moisture into the clouds, and the clouds become bigger. As the cloud becomes bigger, the air rises faster. As the updrafts get stronger and faster, it can start to change in direction. The warm air rises, creating a strong updraft. The cooler air sinks, creating a strong downdraft, creating a spinning tube of air that gets pulled down. This is one of the stages before the event is called a tornado. It is officially a tornado once it hits the ground. Right now, it is not yet a tornado. It is called a mesocyclone. Fun fact: tornadoes are rated based on their speeds. They are measured with a scale called a Fujita scale. Tornadoes are typically between 30 miles per hour to 300 miles per hour. Now that the mesocyclone has touched the ground, it is officially a tornado. Did you know that tornadoes are one of the most destructive forms of weather on Earth? Tornadoes require certain conditions for it to develop. Here are some of the conditions. First of all, a tornado requires high humidity and moisture. Without high humidity, there wouldn't be a strong updraft to create the big cloud and to fuel the storm. Second, we need cold, dry air coming from the north and warm, moist air from the south to meet and to create the supercell thunderstorms. The two air masses play a very important role in the formation of a tornado because when the cold, dry air meets the warm, moist air, the dry air sinks and the moist air takes the dry air's place. This is how the funnel forms and the mesocyclone starts spinning. This is the wind shear. Now let's take a look at places that are used to these tornadoes. In the US, there is a region called Tornado Alley. Why is this place called Tornado Alley? You guessed it. It got its name because this place was used to tornadoes. Now, what makes this place so suitable for tornadoes to form? Well, let's find out. Like said before, tornadoes require special conditions to form, and the Midwest, aka Tornado Alley, has just the right conditions. Cold, dry air from Canada comes into contact with warm, moist air coming from the Gulf of Mexico. The Midwest is the meeting point of these two air masses. Also, when there is a tornado, there is a wide space, energy, and humidity for the supercell thunderstorm to form, creating the perfect environment for the storm. To conclude, Tornado Alley is suitable for tornadoes to form because there is high humidity, there is cold, dry air from Canada meeting with the warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico, and there's flat land.